I would like to take this opportunity to underline that the India Post system today is the largest postal system in the world. We have 1,64,000 post offices through the length and breadth of our country. We have close to 2.78 lakh Grameen Dak Sevaks who day and night toil to convey not business alone, sir, but to convey emotion from one human being to the other. I would like to use this opportunity in the House to bow my head to all our Grameen Dak Sevaks across the length and breadth of our country that do a yeoman's service. With the point that he has raised, I would like to point out that in the last 11 years of Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji's government, we have concentrated on strengthening the India Post system. We have constructed close to about 4,903 new post offices, sir, in left-wing extremism states only in the last three and a half years. 5,746 new post offices have been sanctioned, sir, in unbanked villages, out of which 5,657 as on date, sir, have been opened. So 97% of that task has been completed. And in the last 11 years, we have expanded the postal network by 10,117 post offices in the country. In the last 5 years, sir, we have sanctioned and expensed close to 405 crore rupees for the construction, renovation of not only postal buildings, but we have 49 heritage post offices also, sir, belonging to India Post, which today are our jewels, and we have spent money on that. Having said that, sir, the Indian postal system requires certainly funding to be able to renovate the other balanced 25,000 post offices that are owned by India Post. We are working on that today. Not only that, I would like to assure through you, sir, the House, that we are bringing in place, in the process of bringing in place, a full business process re-engineering exercise for India Post, by which our first mile, middle mile and last mile delivery will become much more prompt, much more service oriented and much more digitally oriented for the crores of citizens across our country. We are bringing in automation, we're looking at the best in class across the world. And I'm working on that right now with the department and the MOS, and we will bring that forward in the days to come to make India Post, as the finance minister said in her budget speech, the top logistics carrier in the world, coming from India as a jewel for the world.